Koftas are commonly prepared in our homes, be it with meat or vegetables. But today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Anda Malai Kofta. For that I have taken 6 boiled eggs which I'm going to grate. Now to these boiled and grated eggs, I'm going to add approximately 75 to 100 grams of cottage cheese. I'm going to grate this as well. The cottage cheese is going to give a nice creamy texture to the koftas. I'm going to add 2 finely chopped green chillies, half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, some finely chopped mint leaves, some finely chopped fresh coriander, 1/4 cup of corn flour. Just mix this gently and well. If you feel that the cornstarch is slightly less, you can add a little more of it too. Let's add some salt. And I'm going to crack an egg in this. Mix it well. I'm going to grease my palms with little oil, and then we are going to make small koftas with this mixture. So I've taken about a heaped tablespoon of this mixture and I'm going to roll it round and then flatten it slightly. Now let's coat these koftas with some corn flour. I've already kept a kadai of oil to heat here. We're just going to simply fry these koftas till they're nice golden and brown. Let's flip these koftas because I want them to be fried evenly golden brown. These are done. Let's remove them from the oil and drain the oil off well. And fry the remaining koftas in a similar manner. And now for the gravy, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil and about 2 tablespoons of ghee. And once the oil is hot, we're going to add 3 medium-sized onions which we have sliced, and we're going to saute these onions till they are nice, soft and translucent. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt so that the onions cook faster. The onions have turned nice, soft and pink. I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic that I have finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger and 3 green chillies, and 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. And now let's fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this, let's add 3 medium-sized tomatoes that I have sliced. And let's add 2 cups of water to this. And cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been over 15 minutes. We've kept the onions and the tomatoes to cook. And these are cooked really well, nice, soft and mushy. Let's switch off the flame, cool this, and we grind this to a very fine puree. Now in the same kadai, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm just going to quickly fry this for a few seconds, and then we're going to add the ground tomato and onion puree. You can see how creamy the gravy is looking. We're just going to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the oil is already separating in the gravy. We'll add 2 cups of water to this to make a nice consistency. Let's add some finely chopped coriander leaves to this. Some roasted and crushed kasuri methi, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of this. Let's sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix this well. And now to make the curry even more delicious, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cream. I've kept the flame on a medium to a low. And I'm now going to add the koftas to the gravy. I'm going to cook these koftas in the gravy till the gravy comes to a boil. And our Egg Malai Kofta is ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with some fresh cream, a pinch of kasuri methi powder, and some finely chopped fresh coriander. And our Egg Malai Kofta is ready to be served. You can have this with parathas or rice, anything of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.